Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to unlock a locked chat on WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the top of the chat list. You'll see a section labeled Locked Chats. Tap on it to access your locked conversations. Next, locate the specific chat you want to unlock. To do this, tap and hold the chat until a menu appears. This action will highlight the chat and bring up additional options. Now look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. Tap on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says Unlock Chat. At this point, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your action. Depending on your device's security settings, you might need to authenticate using your fingerprint, Face ID, or a PIN. Complete this step to proceed. Once confirmed, the chat will be unlocked and moved back to your regular chat list. You can now access it like any other conversation without restrictions. And that's it. Unlocking chats on WhatsApp is quick and easy with just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need guidance. Thanks for watching.